COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 is a highly transmissible virus. We still know very little about how it's transmitted, why some people are more vulnerable than others, and as a community we have no immunity to this new virus.
The virus has already spread to the population. We're only testing those that are symptomatic, which means we don't even know how many people are infected at any given time. Right now, physical restrictions are the only measure that has been proven to work. There's no vaccine in sight at the moment. I mean, they're being tested. But even if you had a vaccine today, until we know that it actually works and doesn't cause harm, we're talking months to, if not years, before that would be potentially available. So what's really missing in all of this is support or help from a biomedical intervention that would allow you to contain the coronavirus in a manner that these little outbreaks don't spread beyond a few people. And that's what we're working on.
The CoCo Trial is short for containing coronavirus. That's exactly what we intend to do. We believe that you can be shedding virus for up to 5 days without any symptoms. And then once you get symptomatic, it's probably up to around 14 days. We're going to be using a drug called interferon to try and reduce the amount of time that somebody is shedding virus. So interferons are produced naturally by the body to fight viruses. The particular type of interferon that we're going to use is a manufactured type, shown to be effective in Wuhan recently in the outbreak there.
That study that we did in China had shown exactly this, that the duration of somebody who's already infected, treated with interferon, reduces the amount and the duration of the virus being shed substantially. Now imagine if you give this interferon to somebody who's not even been infected but just exposed, you can actually prevent infection.
And the CoCo trial is the first trial of its type anywhere in the world, and certainly we have an opportunity to really lead the world in using interferon to control outbreaks and to treat infections with COVID-19. The trial is being led from Perth, from the Telethon Kids Institute, and will be nationwide. And we've been very fortunate in that BHP have generously donated over $2.6 million to enable the study. And the drug has been very kindly donated to us by the manufacturer Biogen. We're anticipating starting within 4 weeks, which is a remarkable achievement. And with the current rate of cases, we think we will be finished within 3 months.
This is the first time we're going to try this in a community setting as a prophylactic, as a preventative measure, giving it to otherwise healthy people to prevent them from becoming infected if they've been exposed. So this is a natural substance, relatively safe, and administration can be tailored and scaled up to do this potentially on a large, rapid mass administration if necessary.
Based on the data that's emerged from Wuhan and in other SARS-like outbreaks around the world, I'm sure that interferon will cut the infectivity of the virus. And by reducing the amount of time that people need to be in quarantine, I'm confident that this will ease us back into normal life a lot easier than putting up with prolonged periods of shutdown.
With one shot, you're protected, is the goal.